friends, welcome back to Ukulele with Laurie. So here we are, finally recording Near My God to Thee. So many people asked for this song. So I finally sat down, and you'd think with COVID-19 I would have all the time in the world, but I feel like I've been busier than ever. So I finally sat down and I plunked it out, and it sounds good, and now I'm here to share it with you. So let's go ahead and tune our ukuleles real quick, top to bottom. All right, so let's talk about the chords real quick. We have 3 chords in this song. We've got a G, which is the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, 3rd fret of the 3rd string, 2nd fret of the bottom string. We've got a D, the 2nd fret, all the way across except for the bottom string. That one stays open. I use 2 fingers. Some people like to bar 1. Whatever you are more comfortable with. And we've got a C, 3rd fret of the bottom string. So there's 2 different ways that we can do this song. There is a very simple way, which I'm going to go ahead and teach, and then there's a little bit more advanced way, which I'm also going to teach. So feel free to skip whatever version you don't want to learn. We're going to go ahead and start with the easy one first. And they're not that much harder, so feel free to do whatever you're comfortable with. You can even add chords if you want. So this song starts on a G. Nearer, my God. On God we go to a C. God to thee, nearer to thee. So nearer is on a G, and on thee we move to D. So nearer to So een is on a G, though is on D. Een, though it be. On B we go to C. Thee across that race. So that is on a G. Raise is on a D. Raiseth me. Me is on a G again. So, still all my song shall be. Don't mind me switching octaves. I don't sing low enough to sing this in this key, and I don't like using a capo because not everyone has one, and that can just really mess things up. So, still all my song shall be. Both of those are on a G. Nearer, my God. So nearer, it's on a G. God is a D. God to thee. And then just like the beginning of the song, nearer, my God to thee. So nearer is on a G. God is on a C. Then the end of the song is nearer to thee. So G is nearer. So of nearer is a D, and then the is a G. So I think I might have actually just taught you guys the hard version. Let's go ahead and do it, because I know you guys are talented enough, and I know you're learning fast. So let's just run with it this way. The easier version, you basically just omit changing on the word nearer, and you just kind of stay on the one chord instead of swapping back and forth. For like a super beginner, that definitely helps. But you guys are good enough. I know you can do it. So let's go ahead and sing through. Starting with a G. We'll go nice and slow. Okay, so maybe that was a little bit fast. Anyways, go back as many times as you need. I'm going to try to film a couple more songs today and hopefully get some extra videos out this week. So if you have any song requests, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you want to join our Facebook group where a lot of conversation is going on, you can find us at facebook.com/groups/ukulele with Laurie. So feel free to go ahead and join us there. There are some questions. You don't have to answer them. It's just to kind of help me know like what people like and what you want to hear and learn. So feel free to join us. I do post finger charts in there, and I try to post them also in the description of the video here on YouTube. So with all of that said, I hope that you were able to learn this song, and I hope that you can use it in a way that's going to bring your family together right now during these hard times. This song rang true today, so I'm really glad you guys requested it. So